Hello, I'm Dr. Tushar Deoras. Today I'm going to talk about the NEET UG. You may be knowing this year more than 26 lakh students has appeared for NEET UG exam for medical education. And we have just 1 lakh 10,000 seats in India. That means it is a very competitive and you need to get good marks in NEET UG. And we are conducting the NEET UG strategy workshop since 2016 when the NEET was introduced. This is the workshop which is a 3 hours workshop and we are covering large points. We are not teaching you physics, chemistry, biology. We are not teaching you any subject. We are telling you in this 3 hours time what is you are supposed to do, how these examinations, the 3 hours are to be handled, and in the past student has increased the marks by 10 to 20%. The most critical component where the students get a problem is the negative marking. You are good in physics, chemistry, biology, but you go there, you make mistakes. One mistake means -1. That means your lost opportunity of 4 marks. You are down by 5 marks. 10 questions wrong, 50 marks down. Every mark, thousands and thousands students are there. How can we eliminate? In fact, we have the students who are 100% able to eliminate. If not 100%, you can get it. They are going to tell you the strategies. Time management. Second most critical, people complain to me, oh, paper was very lengthy. We could not complete the paper in 3 hours time. My students complete the paper in 2.5 hours. They sit 30 minutes idle. When you approach a paper with a cooled mind, when there is no panic, you are able to solve the paper on time. Third is the sequence. What you should be doing, whether I should do physics first or chemistry or biology, or what level of confidence, what level of sequencing is to be done. It is very critical because there are almost 5 to 6 sets of paper as per Supreme Court guidelines. Every student will get the same sets of question, but question number may be different. My question number 1 may be question number 20 of some other students. And that is where the sequencing plays a major role. And the last, very critical, is the examination psychology. You should be, I want a government college. My father doesn't have the money. Does it increase your marks because your father doesn't have money, or you want a particular government college? No. It is how much marks you get in NEET UG. 26 lakh student appearing for 1 point live. Please join on 12th of April from 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock for my strategy workshop. This is the workshop I'm doing for passion. This is a free workshop. We are not charging a single paisa into that. Do join for this 3 hours. This is online. My links are already there. Please register, circulate to your friends or your colleagues and all. This will be highly informative. We are doing first time this year free of cost for the benefit because 26 lakh students are there in competition. Do join for strategy workshop and really get into a premier university. More the marks, less the cost, and you save huge amount of money. Even by 10% increase, you can save huge amount and get a better university. And please subscribe to our channel, my Insta, Facebook, and we will be sending lot of new information about the admission process later on. But currently, just concentrate. We admit the students, no donation, no management quota, purely 100% on merit for MBBS in India, irrespective of your marks. Thank you very much.